Before we start our lesson, let's take a look around our surroundings. It could be the chair that you sit on, the shoes that you wear, or even the air you breathe. They all have something in common. And what is that, you may ask? They have matter.
Matter? What's that, Alphonse? It is something magical.
Not magic, but it's super cool. Matter is anything that takes up space and has weight. That means it is anything that you can see, touch, feel, or drink. Yeah, it's matter.
Wait, matter can be different? Like, it can change clothes?
Yes, matter have different outfits or states. We have solid, liquid, and gas. First is solid. Solid keeps its shape just like this rock or this board. It cannot be squished. It is due to its particles. Solid's particles are packed to one another and can only vibrate in one place. It is the reason why solid keeps its shape. An example to solid's particles is this one over here. The square represents the space. The circle represents the solid's particles. As you can see, solid's particles are very close to one another and there isn't space for any movements. That is why solid keeps its shape. Next is liquid. Liquid is wiggly and can take shape of any container, just like water, juice, and milk. They all do that. In a liquid's particles, they are still close to each other, but this time they have space to slide past each other. That is the reason why liquid can flow and change shape. An example to liquid's particles is this one over here. The square represents the space and the circles represents the particles. As you can see, the particles are still close to each other, but this time they're a little bit far. And because of this, they have space to move and flow. Lastly is gas. Gas is invisible and can fill up a balloon with air and steam. Gas particles are far apart each other and move around very fast. That is the reason why gas spread out and fill up a space very quickly. Example to gas particles is this one on the board. This is the space and this is the gas particles. As you can see, gas is very far apart each other and it gives them more space to move around quickly.
Look! I dropped the gas inside here. Let's play matter charades. I'll act, you guess what state I am. Guess what state I am? Now, it's your turn. Show me how solid stand. Show me how liquid flows. And last, show me how gas move around. So, what is matter again?
Matter is anything that takes up space and has weight.
Solid, liquid, gas. Matter is everywhere.